Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's FieldGenius for Android video, I'm going to be showing you how to do an inverse from a point to a line, giving you the distance to a line and the offset to the nearest point. So what I've done before the video began is I've laid out some points and some line work inside of FieldGenius, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to head to my survey option here. And from my survey screen here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the calculator there on the left side of the screen. And then in my calculations menu here, I'm going to select inverse point to line. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select my point. In this case, I'm going to use 0.4. And then for my first line, I'm going to do this. And you can see that I now get a 90-degree angle with a station offset of 15 meters and an offset from the line of 8 meters. And I can also do this to angled lines as well. And I'll use my convenient line drawn from point 1 to 0.3 that's right above here. And again, it's going to draw a line to the nearest point on the line, which gives me an offset of 14.309 meters and a station offset from there to the nearest point of 9.179 meters. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you use Microsurvey's FieldGenius for Android to get the distance from a point to a line and then the distance on the offset of a station to the nearest point. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit the subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204.